गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं डॉक्टर रिजवाना बरकात फ्रॉम आर स्क्वायर स्किन हेयर नेल क्लिनिक एंड एडवांस्ड कॉस्मेटोलॉजी सेंटर। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि आज नेशनल सनस्क्रीन डे है, सो बीइंग अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट आई एम हियर टू मेक यू पीपल अवेयर ऑफ द बेनिफिट ऑफ द सनस्क्रीन्स। तो आज मैं मेनली 3 चीज़ों पर बात करूँगी। फर्स्ट, सनस्क्रीन खरीदने के टाइम हमें क्या देखना चाहिए। सेकंड, हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ सनस्क्रीन शुड वी यूज़। एंड थर्ड, व्हेन शुड वी यूज़ द सनस्क्रीन। तो पहले क्वेश्चंस पर आते हैं कि व्हाट वी हैव टू लुक व्हाइल परचेजिंग अ सनस्क्रीन। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि एवरी डे आवर स्किन इज़ एक्सपोज्ड टू वेरियस हार्मफुल रेज ऑफ सन। इनमें से बहुत सारे रेज हैं जो हमारे स्किन को डैमेज करते हैं। दोज आर अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज, अल्ट्रावायलेट ए एंड बी, infrared rays, visible lights and blue light. Blue light mainly comes from all those screen which are on the mobile phones, laptops. So the screen lights mainly delivers blue light which is harmful for our skin. And nowadays we are more and more into screen than into the sun. So we have to take protection from blue light as well. तो क्या देखना चाहिए? First thing is that always look for your sunscreen is broad spectrum or not. What do you mean by broad spectrum? ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम का मतलब इट शुड गिव कवरेज फ्रॉम बोथ UVA एंड UVB and it is ideally mentioned on the top of your sunscreen that whether it is broad spectrum or not. So look for that broad spectrum thing. Our second question, how much sunscreen should we use? 2 finger. 2 finger is the ideal rule for the amount of sunscreen. 2 finger, make sure these 2 fingers should be full, entire length of your finger shaft. This amount you should use 2 finger on your face and neck, 2 finger on your each arm and forearm, and then 2 finger on your overall whole body part. Now coming when we have to use sunscreen. Most of the people are having a very big misconception that, oh, it's raining outside, we don't have to use sunscreen. Oh, we are staying indoor, why should we use sunscreen? But actually you should know one thing, that even if it's raining outside, even if you are staying indoor, you have to use sunscreen because ultraviolet A radiation actually it penetrates the clouds, it penetrates even the glasses. So even if it's raining outside, the ultraviolet A rays are totally coming, it is penetrating the cloud and it is coming to your skin. Now coming to a very big point, हमें sunscreen किससे पूछकर लगाना चाहिए? Who is the ideal person who can recommend the sunscreen? Always and always a dermatologist. Never ever go for social media influencers recommended sunscreen or YouTube influencers recommended sunscreen. Never ever go for that. Always apply a sunscreen which is recommended by your dermatologist. Thank you.